been stated, my name is Karen Freeman-Wilson, and I'm mayor of the city of Gary. And I'm standing here with Steve Landry, our interim mayor court director, as well as Harley Snyder, a member of the Regional Development Authority board. We are here to update you on the progress of the runway expansion barrier removal here at the Gary-Chicago International Airport. There has been substantial progress made, first and foremost, and I want to state that to you. We have seen some challenges relative to a couple of areas that we want to bring to your attention today. First, many of you know that the airport has been built on a Superfund site, an EPA Superfund site. Conservation Chemical is actually the name of the Superfund site. And while the EPA capped that site back in 1997, it has been necessary during the course of the construction to uncap that site and to move around ground as we prepare to install instrumentation that would allow us to land aircraft on the expanded runway. As a result of moving around that dirt and disturbing that site, if you will, we have come to realize that the report that we relied on, that was provided once the site was capped, has really underestimated and underreported the level of contamination. The Aviation Authority, as well as the Environmental Protection Agency and the Indiana Department of Environmental Management, those approvals as it relates to the removal of the ground or the dirt at those sites are necessary in order for us to complete the project. That will precipitate a delay. At this juncture, because we don't know the extent of the remediation, we are not clear on the impact on the bottom line. It very well may be that we can do it within the $166 million that has been budgeted. If not, we have been in conversation with a number of agencies at the federal level to determine whether or not this will in fact qualify for additional dollars.
A level around, for the whole project, around 80,000 cubic yards, and right now we're looking at approximately 120,000 cubic yards. With the levels that were found, originally we were going to keep some of what we considered to be special waste on the airport itself.
Okay.
And the newer sampling and the digging has revealed that instead of being special waste, it's now classified as hazardous waste. Therefore, it has to be dealt with differently and it has to be removed from site.
I anticipate meeting with the railroad representatives in the coming week to underscore to them how important this is, not only to the citizens of Gary, but to all of the citizens of Northwest Indiana, and that I will not rest until those agreements have been achieved and we are back on track with the expansion of the runway. And so combined, those two issues combined have us changing the date to September of 2014. It is something that all federal and state agencies are aware of. It is something that they are working in conjunction with the airport authority as well as the citizens of Gary, the city of Gary, to ensure that we have a date that is sooner, not later, than that September 2014 date, and it's one that we are comfortable is achievable as long as the parties continue to work together.